Pulumi is a modern infrastructure as code platform that revolutionizes how we build and manage cloud infrastructure. Unlike traditional tools, Pulumi allows you to use real programming languages you already know to define your cloud resources. This means you can leverage the full power of software development practices to manage your infrastructure. Infrastructure as code, or IaC, is a practice where you manage and provision your infrastructure through machine-readable configuration files, rather than manually setting up servers and services. Instead of clicking through cloud consoles or running manual commands, you write code that describes what infrastructure you need. This code can be versioned, reviewed, and automated just like application code. Before Pulumi, most infrastructure as code tools required learning domain-specific languages. Terraform uses HCL, which stands for HashiCorp Configuration Language. Amazon Web Services CloudFormation uses JSON or YAML templates. Ansible relies on YAML playbooks, and Azure Resource Manager uses JSON configurations. While these tools are powerful, they require learning new syntax and have limitations compared to full programming languages. Pulumi takes a different approach. Instead of using domain-specific languages, Pulumi lets you use real programming languages that you already know and love. This means you can leverage familiar tools, integrated development environments, and the entire ecosystem of your chosen language. You get access to features like functions, classes, loops, conditionals, and all the libraries you're used to working with. Pulumi supports multiple popular programming languages. You can write your infrastructure code in TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, Go, Java, or C# and .NET. This flexibility allows teams to use the language they're most comfortable with, reducing the learning curve and improving productivity. Whether you're a web developer familiar with TypeScript, a data scientist comfortable with Python, or an enterprise developer using Java, Pulumi has you covered. Let's look at a simple example in Python. First, we import the Pulumi AWS library. Then, creating an S3 bucket is as simple as calling the bucket constructor with a name. Finally, we can export the bucket name so it's available as an output. Notice how this is just regular Python code. You can use all of Python's features like loops, conditionals, and functions to build more complex infrastructure. Using real programming languages brings several key benefits. First is reusability. You can create functions, classes, and modules to encapsulate infrastructure patterns and reuse them across projects. Second is testing. You can use standard testing frameworks to write unit tests for your infrastructure code. Third is tooling. You get IDE autocomplete, linting, and debugging support out of the box. Fourth is packages. You can access existing libraries and package managers to extend functionality. Pulumi isn't locked to a single cloud provider. It works seamlessly with Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and over 150 other cloud and software as a service providers. This multi-cloud support means you can use the same tool and approach whether you're building on one cloud or managing resources across multiple platforms. You can even mix and match providers in a single project. The Pulumi workflow consists of 3 main steps. First, you write your infrastructure code in your chosen programming language. Second, you preview the changes to see exactly what will happen before anything is deployed. Pulumi shows you which resources will be created, updated, or deleted. Third, you deploy the changes to your cloud environment. Pulumi handles all the orchestration and ensures resources are created in the correct order. To summarize, Pulumi offers several compelling advantages. You can use familiar programming languages instead of learning new domain-specific languages. You leverage existing tools and ecosystems for better productivity and faster development. You can build reusable components with functions and classes, reducing duplication and improving maintainability. And you get support for multiple cloud providers in one unified platform. Pulumi brings the best practices of software engineering to infrastructure management.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.